Yeah. Okay. This water box filling thing open
So, Matteo quatscht.
and put
Und
Press that button.
this bottom is for water pump. Genau.
was sagt er?
No, it doesn't work. It's not water in the tank.
Okay, done.
Off.
Are we going to open this place?
Yeah.
Are we going to open this place? Will this place be open or closed?
Closed. Yeah.
Closed.
Yeah. When it's open, it comes outside the water.
What about this?
This is you can fix another hose here to cleaning. 10 or 15 meter long hose with a
Okay, this is to put water
inside. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wollte ich
Ja,
gerade sagen.
ja.
Also wir sind bestimmt mal eine Stunde hier.
This symbol is for close.
For close. Yeah.
This symbol is for open.
Mhm.
So before we start any job, we pump in water,
Yeah. Fresh water.
fresh water, yes, fresh water. Then after that, we
Mhm.
Ja, aber
open
das
it.
ist so.
What about this?
Also die haben auf jeden Fall eine Nahbedienung.
Open, like this is open.
Yeah. When you have water inside
Will ich
enough,
nicht, aber ich meine das schon, die haben so einen
liters in your tank, you have to close it. Close it.
Then
Yeah.
after that, I open this one.
Yeah.
Da muss ja doch den ganzen Mast
After
einmal
that,
einklappen.
I press this very
For
one.
the water pump. Yeah.
This is water pump.
Yeah.
So what symbol is it?
This is a high pressure pump.
Okay, for high
For
pressure pump.
high pressure pump,
No, also option.
it's an option. Yeah.
High pressure compressor
Yeah.
is also option.
Wie ist das denn bei den Maschinen von vor 20 Jahren, sag ich jetzt mal?
Ja.
Haben wir da eine Buchführung,